Hi everyone, let's do some counting. We've been practicing numbers 1 to 10 and you are doing well, but it's been a while so we don't want you to forget. Let's do them in order first. Ready? Say them with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, my fingers aren't working so well here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're getting so much better at that. There's a few that you mix up. But remember when we were learning the numbers at the beginning and learning to write the numbers, we sang the numeral song as we were writing them. Sing it with me now, and that'll help you maybe remember when I'm not there to help you. It might help you to remember. Here we go. Circle round and then you're done to make the numeral 0. Come right down and then you're done to make the numeral 1. Curve around and slide to the right to make the numeral 2. Curve around and around again to make the numeral 3. Down, over, down some more to make the numeral 4. Down, around, and put on the hat to make the numeral 5. Curve around and curl it up to make the numeral 6. Slide over, slant it down to make the numeral 7. Make an S and close the gate to make the numeral 8. I think I just went the wrong way, so let's try again. I forget I'm looking at the screen. Make an S and close the gate to make the numeral 8. Make a circle, then a line to make the numeral 9. Come right down and make a 0 to make the numeral 10. So if you're struggling to remember, try to think of the song and that might help. Now let's mix these up and we'll go through them again. And then we're going to count together a little bit because some of you want to go so fast because you are getting smart. You know what to do and you hurry. And sometimes we just have some mistakes from hurrying. So let's try to do these numbers and then we'll count together a little bit. Ready? I'm not going to say it at first. I'll hold it up and you say it and then I'll say it. 6, 0, 10, 9, 3, 2, 1. Let's try another one. I Didn't mix them so well. Let's try another one. 8, 5, 7, and 4. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Remember, you can take little cards or a piece of paper and cut it into pieces and write numbers 0 through 10. Mix them up and practice. Play with a brother or sister or a mom, a dad, a special grown-up, and you'll be surprised what you remember. I'm going to put the camera tilting down here to see this piece of paper, and I'm going to I have a handful of pennies here. You could use pennies or Fruit Loops or little crackers like cheese crackers, any of those things. I have more pennies than we're going to need, but let's practice what you could do for a little game. Pick up some of the pennies, lay them down. Remember, it's easier to count when we're first trying to be able to count and count properly. Put them in a row. Touch them one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pennies. Sometimes what you do is you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and sometimes you run out of pennies or you run out of numbers and you don't get the number right. So remember, when you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's take another handful. See what we got. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Good. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just practice counting. Count anything you see, whether it's stars in the sky some nights. If you can see a few stars up there, count them. Whether it's blocks that you might have, a handful of cereal, some M&Ms, count. Practice your counting. And remember to go slow and touch as you go.